Ever wondered why your go-to budget brew suddenly vanished from Walmart shelves, replaced by another frosty contender? Today, we're diving deep into the beer aisle battlefield to uncover the mystery of why natural ice seems to have taken the crown from Milwaukee's best ice at Walmart. First, let's talk consumer preference. Believe it or not, even at the budget end, taste matters. Online forums and beer rating sites often show slightly more favorable reviews, albeit marginal, for natural ice over Milwaukee's best ice, potentially driving initial trial and repeat purchases. Next, the numbers don't lie. Sales data is king. Retailers like Walmart constantly analyze which products are moving and which are gathering dust. If natural ice consistently outsells Milwaukee's best ice in a given region, it's a no-brainer to allocate more shelf space to the winner. This could also be localized. One Walmart might favor natural ice, while another in a different state might still stock Milwaukee's best. Finally, let's consider the distribution agreements. Anheuser-Busch, the parent company of both brands, may have different distribution strategies or incentives for retailers regarding these specific beers. Perhaps they offered Walmart a better deal or promotional support for natural ice, making it a more attractive option for shelf placement. Ultimately, the shift from Milwaukee's best ice to natural ice likely involves a combination of consumer choices, sales data, and strategic agreements. By understanding these market dynamics, retailers can optimize product offerings and shoppers, like you and I, can better understand the beer landscape.